Hello viewers, I've always wanted to have candles up in these windows, but it never happened because there's no practical way to get electricity up there, and if you use a ladder and put them up there and use battery ones, you got to keep taking them out and change the batteries, and that was just a hassle. So it never happened, but it's annoyed me enough this year that I decided to generate a solution. So I made this. This is a, the size doesn't really matter, but this is a 3/4 inch pivot pipe. You could use any size, but this is just what I happen to have on hand, and it's relatively sturdy. And I drilled a hole in here and fished a string through, and the string comes out the other end. And so this is what we're going to do here. I have these candles, which I had bought to use in the bedroom, not, you know, for Christmas time, just regularly. And apparently whoever made these thinks that flickering equals blinking. Well, I think blinking does not equal flickering, and so I never actually used these candles in the bedroom. So instead we're going to use them in the foyer here. So I've got the string here. I'm going to pull the string out and put it around the candle. And then I'm going to, let's see here, what angle should we use for this? This is not a flawless device. It's a little bit difficult to use, but I'm going to put this over the candle like this. Then I'm going to pull the string, pull the string taut as best I can. Okay, so it's like that. Now this is not in view. There we go. So it's going to hold the candle like that, and now we're going to put this up into the windows here. If I can get a good angle on it. I'm having some tripod freak shows here. Alright, that'll work. And now once it's in place, I'll release the string. And now the candle is up there. Now I don't know how well this is going to work for taking it down. I'm just going to hope that the batteries kind of last a long time in this and only have to do this often. This particular candle is a little glitchy. I think I'm going to regret putting this one up there. But if nothing else, it'll give me an opportunity to test how well this thing works to take them down. Alright, there we have it. 3 candles up in the windows. And I got this clicker here. So we'll come up the stairs. And we can set a timer, which is probably what I'm going to do. Or we can just go ahead and turn them on and off manually. So there we have it. It's far too cold to take a look from the outside, but you know, I don't know if these will be bright enough to actually see from the road or not, but at least they look nice from the inside. I'll do another video when the batteries run out of how easy it is to take it out of the windows.